Meaning of in-joke.
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 In-joke. In-joke refers to a type of joke that is understood only by a select group of people, typically those who share a common experience or knowledge. It can be a reference to a shared event, language, or cultural reference that only a specific group would appreciate. The humor in an in-joke lies in the exclusivity between those who understand it and the inability of others to grasp its meaning. In-jokes often create a sense of camaraderie and belonging among a particular group and can be used as a bonding tool.